What's up guys, it's John. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your Android device as a Stream Deck with Streamlabs OBS. So basically you're going to open up Streamlabs OBS on your desktop and you're going to go to the settings and then go to the remote control and you're going to open up the QR code right there. And then you're going to go to your device and do the same thing. You're going to open it up. You need to have the camera set to the back camera. You're going to go to remote control and then you're going to go ahead and scan the QR code with your device, as you can see me doing here. And once you show that QR code to your device, you'll be connected, and that's it. You could use your Android device as a Stream Deck essentially. So thanks for watching. See you next time.